Hello friends, welcome to codeassist.com. This is my new project, Online Paid Shop. I have developed this project PHP and MySQL and currently using PHP version 7 and the MySQL version is 5.6. You can configure or run this project on the XAMPP server as well as WAMP server and easily run this project on Linux and Windows system. It supports the XAMPP or WAMP server for Apache using the Apache 2.4. You can also configure this project separately installing that Apache 2.4 PHP and MySQL. This is about the server side, and for front end I am using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This is the basic templates. I'm not using HTML5 and CSS components. This project is not on Bootstrap theme. This is a mini project. It is a single user login customer, not the admin login. Let's start the functionality of this project. So this is home page of the project. If you click on any at the pet, you can see easily details of the pet. Now this is about us project page. This is the dynamic, not dynamic, this is the static content. You can easily change the content from the HTML directly. Now this is the all pets page. This from where you will be able to see all the pets which available in the database. So this is totally dynamic page. All the pets and images are coming from the database directly. Now, if you click on the any pets, you can see all the details about the pet and the relate, related pets. Now, this is the all company listing page. There are 4 companies available and this page details are coming from the database. If you want to add more company, you can easily add from the database. If you click on any company, you will be able to see all the pets to company only. This is the filter page. Once you click on the any company, you will be able to see all the page that the company. Now same for the types page. There are many types are available in this page. If you click any types images, you will able to see all the listed pets related that types. You can edit, delete and the pets or a company directed from the database. Now this is login page from where customer will log in from the page. Now this is registration page. If customer does not have the account, then customer will able to register from this page and will be able to log in easily. So login is mandatory for customer for buying any pet. After the login or a without login, you can see all the details about the pet. In this space below the pet image, add to cart button is visible. If you click on the add to cart, it's showing login page. I'm logging from this page. So I'm going to all page pages. Click on the any page and you can click add to cart which I want to buy. We can add number of pets in quantity and the price will be automatically updated. Now I am going to click on place order option and after that showing make payment page. This space where you can add the credit or debit card number. This is a sample payment gateway, none of real transaction. Now I am going to make payment. Now this is my card number, or and this you can click on any card type, and now card expiry and the year, and now I'm going to make payment. Payment has been done, and this is the receipt of the order confirmation. Dear Amit, this is the confirmation of your order. Hashtag has been successfully placed on date 4th October 2024. So this is your details. The full process of customer will add the pet into the cart. After that, he will able to do payment or order confirmed. Now this is the dashboard. Once customer will log in, then he can see his dashboard on this system. Customer can see the all the order details. This is the data table, and customer can see the details of the order. This is all about my project, and this is my account section where customer can update. It's my account, and now this is change password section where customer will able to change password. So these functionalities are developed in my project. This is the single user login project. I have same project which has admin functionality. So if you need more functionality in this project, so just put it in the comment. And thanks for watching. Thank you very much. Don't forget subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.